So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in this quick video I want to show you how you can Dockerize your React plus Firebase application and any application with the React, like the application I'm going to show you to Dockerize. In this application I'm using Firebase as a backend service, but even if you are using a REST API or GraphQL API, whatever it is, you can just use this method to Dockerize your application. So it's a very simple process. In order to Dockerize your ReactJS application, you have to create two files. One is docker compose.yml and one is docker file, and you have to create both the files outside, like in your root folder. So this is the root folder of my application, and I have created two files, one in docker compose, one in docker file. First let's check docker file, and you have to write this simple steps. You don't have to change anything here. You can just copy paste it. From node we want to use node.js, and then work directory user source app, copy package.json to the current working directory. It will copy all of your packages. Then run yarn install. You can do run npm install. I have done yarn install, and then copy current context to the working directory. Then in the so you can copy paste from here. For the docker compose, you have to version 3 services. Services mean what kind of services you want to run, or how many, what kind of containers you want to run. So the name of your application basically this is the name of application. Whatever name you want to give to your application, name of your application. Then build context, like all the context, all the folders, files of your whole project. Then docker address of the docker file, which is in the current directory. Ports, I have redirected 3000 port to 3000. And if you will miss the ports part, your Dockerized project might not work, so please do that. Environment file .env, which is also in the same directory. Volume, because if you want to persist or cache your node modules and all, so it will make a volume in your PC. It will persist database, basically data. Command, you want to run yarn run dev. You can do npm start or npm run dev, whatever. So basically this is the command you use to run your project in console. So basically for an example, if you're running your project from here, you have to do yarn run dev. It will run the project, or else, but now in this case you have to do first, how you can use it. You just have to, you can copy paste it exactly if you are having exact same folder structure, which you should have or you must have. So you have to do the docker file, the ports, the environment file, and these two things. You don't have to change anything here, just copy paste it. So it's the easiest way to Dockerize your ReactJS application. And then you have to do docker compose and up, and it will run your application down your docker compose. So that's all. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.